Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading Google Chrome Canary for your Mac. So in Safari, all we have to do is type this in, google.com Chrome Canary. Once you guys are in that website, we're going to download it. So we can either do that from within Google, sure, and you just click on your very first option that appears right here, or type that up here in Safari and just put that address right up there. That would be faster technically, but we can always use Google in order to search that up. So it's the same thing really. So once we're in there, this is the official version. I would not download anything actually from any other website. Go right here into Google Chrome and then do it from there, okay? From their official website, no other website. So right now it says download Chrome Canary. So we're gonna click on download. It's gonna give you this brief message, just accept and install. We're gonna allow, and right on top of here, we're gonna see our progress. So it should always be done. Yeah, it's done already. And it says Google Chrome DMG. That's fine, that's Canary right now. So we're just gonna double click there and you should be getting this message right here. Other than that, it's gonna be in your downloads folder. So just going to your downloads folder, you're gonna see this DMG. It's supposed to be a DMG file. So right now we're in the installation process. Right here, dragging this right now into this, it's just a shortcut into our applications folder. Technically, we could just bring up our applications folder and just drag this into it. And that's the installation of Google Chrome Canary. That's all we have to do. So right now, if I go into my applications folder, so I can just go into Finder. So I do have Finder down here below. I can just click on applications on the left hand side. I'm gonna see applications. From there, I should see Chrome Canary anywhere here. So there it is. So right now I have Chrome and Chrome Canary. So they're two different ones. So we're just gonna open up Canary. So a lot of you will see this message. Google Chrome Canary is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Then go ahead and open. If you guys get any other messages, all you guys have to do is change the security settings in your Mac in order to open this up. So we're just gonna open this up. It's gonna give us this message. You guys can check this on or off. It depends on you guys. I'm just gonna leave it checked on and start Google Home. There we go, Google Chrome I mean. And here we go. So we can just get started. We can sign in or not, doesn't really matter, and just go on and use Canary for now. It's just like any other browser, it's just a little bit better. So right now you might get messages such as these on the side of your computer. So this is up to you guys if you guys want those alerts or don't. I do not, so don't allow. So I'm good. All right, so that's it. That's how you guys can download and install Google Chrome Canary right here on your Mac. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.